Hi everyone, Tom here from the Vegan Society. We're really excited to have launched our campaigner network. This is a network of committed vegans from across the country working together to bring our campaigns to their local community. Now here's Kim from our Aberdeenshire Campaigner Network group to tell you more about how she got involved.
I'm here with Kim Whittert and we're in Castleton Farm Shop and we've had a lovely lunch. Kim's been a fantastic campaigner for the Vegan Society. She's done some work on our Plate Up for the Planet campaign. So Kim, tell us about what you were doing for the Vegan Society.
Well, I was sent through some literature from the Vegan Society, presentation and some giveaways, some freebies, and we were tasked with going out and trying to encourage environmental organisations or anyone kind of with an environmental background to try and get them on board with the Plate Up for the Planet campaign.
Great. So how did you find the experience overall?
I really enjoyed it. I loved having an opportunity to do more for animals and do more for the Vegan Society. I've really enjoyed being a part of the campaigner network for the Vegan Society and their Plate Up for the Planet campaign, and I would recommend anyone to take part in a similar campaign.
We've kicked off with our campaign Vegan on the Go, and we would love for you to get involved. This campaign is all about improving options for vegans when we're out and about, so if you'd like to get involved, you can request a pack from our website. So please do check that out, and we look forward to hearing how you get on.
You can find out more on our website and we look forward to having you on board.